Hey guys, it's Random Chaos here, back in the Splinterlands. And so what I want to focus on today is one of the ways that you can actually make money with Splinterlands. Yeah, that's right, you can totally make money in this game if you know what you're doing. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So I'm on the peakmonsters.com website. It's the best website for buying, selling, renting cards. Generally making money is a good thing on this site. So let's go over to the buy section here. Now they've just done an update recently, so you can change the format of this. We can actually look at my cards, for instance. We can look at the grid view, the list view, and etc, etc. So I actually like the bulk view as a standard thing. Yeah, so that's a pretty good update. But let's go over to the buy section. We're going to talk about a card that is underpriced right now. Yeah, that's right. It is underpriced, guys. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. Now, there's bargains everywhere here, guys. These are like 20 cents. I mean, that is pretty cheap. It's not as cheap as it used to be. What the? Charlog Minotaur, 28 cents. Yeah, I'm going to buy some of those, guys. That is too cheap. With it 28, 29 cents, I'm grabbing them for under 30 cents for sure. So let's just quickly grab some of those. To do that, you just have to click on these, add them to your cart, and then you can go and purchase with either credits or with deck. So that is a pretty cheap deal. Now, the reason why I'm going to grab that card, guys, is because it does have some residual value there as well. But I'm going to talk about this card later. The card I want to show you today is actually a summoner. Yeah, that's right. Let's get into here. Check out the summoners. We do the filter here, guys, and we can just see all the summoners in Splinterlands at the moment. Now, what you'll see is these are the cheap prices here, guys. Like $3.70 for one summoner. And, well, that's great. $4.50 for this one. And this one, $5.22. And then it goes to $6, and it just keeps on going up. Now, if you can spot where the bargain is here, guys, it is actually this one here, Kretch Tallevor. Yeah, this is a bargain right now. Now, I'll explain why I think this is the case, guys. Because you could get these cheaper summoners. They have special abilities. This one has like a webcast. This one has like piercing for your whole team. This has nothing. Why would you even buy this card? Oh, it's horrible. So, yeah, let's have a look at more detail. Alright, so basically what we have here right now is the Kretch Tallevor. Yeah, we can see that the cheapest card is $5.22. That seems pretty expensive, but check this out, guys. It's an epic card, which means that even at, say, a level 3, and this is probably the target for this card you want, to do okay in Splinterlands, that's like just 10 cards. And it actually will be able to summons level 5 common, level 4 rare, 3 epic, and 2 legendary. Now this is very important, guys. I'm just going to bring up this other one up here. Let's just go to another one here, which is just a rare card. And we see the level 3 here. We need 14 of these cards, and we can only summon level 4 common, 3 rare, and 2 epic. So you can see where we're going here, guys. You could get more value out of the cards if they are an epic card. So we'll go back here. A level 5, that's up, that's up, that's up, and we have the same on the legendary. So guys, this card is undervalued right now. Now the other reason why I say that, if we actually just hide this card right now, so what we will do here, guys, is we'll just click on rewards and we'll see the other reward cards. Generally, reward cards are worth a little bit less than your normal card. But what do you notice here, guys? Well, there was another reward card. It was epic, and now it is $62. Now, I'm not saying that Kretch is going to go to $62, guys, but there's a reason why this went to $62. It has a +1 attack. It is a dragon summoner, similar to Kretch. And the other thing is, guys, it's epic. So it has ability to summon higher level cards than the same amount that you would spend on the rare cards. So yeah, basically the other thing you can notice here as well, guys, 10x, right? Think 10x. When you look at the gold cards, you think 10x value, right? So this is currently at $62. The Daria's Dragon Scale is $62. 10x value on that at the moment is $520. That's about right. Okay, so that's usually what happens, because if you have a quick look at the gold card, it skips a few levels and now it's automatically able to summon 5 common, 4 rare, and 3 epic, and 2 legendary. Guys, that is exactly the same as what I said, getting 10 of the other cards. That's why I reckon it's value in the game is at least 10 times, okay? What you'll notice here, guys, is Kretch Tallevor is actually 175 as a gold. So if that was 10x, well, that means that Kretch Tallevor normal should be around about $15 to $17. So why is it only $5? Well, here's the reason why, guys, and it is going to change. Get in fast. There's only going to be so many times you're going to get really good deals like this, guys, but this is one of those times. This is a reward card that is currently still in print. Now, if we go over to KikoKid's GitHub site here, I'll put the link down below. It actually explains to you what reward cards are currently on offer. And Kretch is actually at the top here. Now, he's an epic, and these are all the cards. This will tell you that he's had 97% printed, which means very, very soon he is going to be no longer available. And the people that like to use him are going to have to buy off the market. So this was the price a little earlier. What was the price we had here? So it's $5.22. It's about that price. So what you'll notice, guys, is we just finished the season and we can go ahead and claim some rewards. I'm going to go claim these rewards right now, actually. Let's just see what we get. At the end of a season, people actually get reward cards and also deck. And what they do is basically go and sell them on the market if they need the money real fast to pay the bills. So let's go and see what we get here. Now, I don't actually mind these potions. They're worth around about 50 deck each, because basically you're going to have to buy these if you want to open these Chaos Legions as they come out. Now, this has been okay, guys. This has been an okay. That is a good pull. We'll go check the price of that out very, very shortly. So 256 Dark Energy Crystals is worth about $2 at the moment, $2 to $3. So that's good value. Whoa, and they still come, because I finished, I think, in the gold one. So we've got another. These are just cheap cards, not necessarily after these ones, guys. Another 252 Dark Energy Crystals. So that is pretty good, and a little bit extra. So we did pretty well here, but we didn't get a Kretch. We did get this card here. Let's go check out its price. And we'll get back to Kretch in just a moment. So here we go, guys. We'll just use the filter here and go to Epic, and there we go. It is a $5 card. So I basically pulled $5 plus a few extra, probably around about $10 value, all of this all up. That is pretty good for one season. Now, I did get to gold 1, guys, but how do you get to gold? Well, you're going to need like a level 4 summoner, guys, or a level 3 epic summoner, because that will give you enough cards to get up to gold pretty easy. Obviously, you need to go buy the cards as well, but we're going to talk about other ways to do that as well. So as you can see, guys, yes, Kretch Tallevor is actually a pretty decent buy at that price right now. People are dumping on the market. Look at that, guys. That is a bargain. I'm going to grab a couple of those while I'm here. Yeah, they're dumping on the market because they're just trying to convert their actual wins into value. And the price will probably go up in the next couple of days regardless. When Kretch is no longer printed, expect that one to jump quite high. Probably even up to a 50% jump pretty quickly after a couple of weeks. Because, yeah, having them being printed, people just think they're available, and there's always people selling on the marketplace. You want to go ahead and grab them as soon as you can. Now, I'm not going to give you a final price point here, guys, because who knows what they're going to be worth. All I'm going to say is that last time we had one of these epic cards and people didn't really value it. I think people were paying about $1 for the Daria Dragon Scale at one stage, and now it's $62, guys. We're in quite a bit of growth at the moment, so we don't know where these are going to go, but one thing for sure, guys, is you can't play Splinterlands without your summoner cards. Anyway, guys, that's all I've got time for today. We'll cover other ways to make money in Peak Monsters. So even if you go and buy the Kretch Tallevor today, I suspect as soon as this is out of print, it'll actually go up in price. And you might make a couple of dollars here and there, so that's not too bad, guys. Then you could go and reinvest, or of course, you could use them to play Splinterlands. Anyway, guys, that's all I've got time for today. I'm going to cover a few more ways to earn money in Splinterlands in the next few days. So if you like what you see and you want to get tips from someone who's been playing the game for some years now, well, please like and subscribe. Anyway, guys, until next time, it's bye for now.